Hey guys, hope all is well. This video I got for y'all today is basically in the thumbnail part 2 of this defrost control board that I had failed on a Rude system, and this is basically just me going out replacing it and testing everything and getting it back going. So I hope y'all enjoy. Just want to let y'all know, guys, that I'm about to head out of town for several days, but y'all can expect some more videos probably about next Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll be back with some more videos. So guys, hope y'all enjoy this one. Have a good weekend. We'll catch y'all later. Hey guys, I'm back today. I'm back at this call that I was at a few days ago where I diagnosed the bad defrost control board. And got a new one here. New board and 2 new sensors. We are going to be changing this board, so y'all stay with me. We'll get this thing back running. Get some of this crap out of the way. People need to learn to crank a weed eater. This is ridiculous. All right. Alright guys, got her opened up, and I just brushed this out and cleaned it pretty good when I was here. Look at this, already. I got some slugs chilling out on this capacitor. What in the world? But anyway, alright, first thing I'm gonna do, couldn't find the breaker box. I was in a locked room. I'm just gonna pull my R off, kill the power. Try not to bump it into any metal like I've done before and blow the fuse. Alright. So I already had that taped apart. So, alright. I know I don't show it a lot, guys, but even when you pull that disconnect, sticky probes on contactor. Check that power. Dead. Go leg to leg. Nothing. All right, let's get started. All right, I'll start pulling some of these wires off. This is my outdoor air sensor wire. It's not gonna fit through there, ain't it? Dang it. Cut this out. I have my defrost sensor going inside the cabinet that I'll have to fish. I got 2 new sensors, like I said, so I'm gonna fish both of those through and do that probably last. Get this new board put on first. All right. Huh, not sure what that was. It was sharp though. Man, how many freaking tabs do they need? That's 6 in this little bitty board. They think it's going somewhere? Oh wow. Look at that. Yeah, no wonder it was fouling up. Is that a slug? Looks like another slug. That's what's on the capacitor. Wow. And look at the fry job it did. They're gonna have to get some pest control done around these systems. Insects, what caused that? Absolutely. Man. All right, let's get our new one on. Alright, I'll set this down to 60. That's the defrost timer. It's on 70. 50, 60, 70, 80 is their time intervals. A little bit different than what I'm used to. Alright, let's get her wired up and then get these switches replaced. Alright, that going, pull my main fan wire back off and put it back to the board like it's supposed to be. Alright, now just got to run these switches and sensors. We'll be good to go. All right. Now we just gotta fish this one out. Fish the new one through. forgot on these ream roods, the defrost sensor is tucked way up in the top. Mostly on other ones that are down toward the bottom, but all right, so I got to put this back on and undo the edge here, lift it up. All right, so there it is right there. Just kind of unclip it, put our new one in. All right. Okay. Okay. All right, guys, got it through. Just cleaning everything up a little bit. All right. All right. Just gotta finish cleaning it up and test it. All right. Make sure these are tight. All right. About finished up, guys. All right, y'all. She's back going. Double flash means normal operation. Just gonna watch it for a minute and check our refrigerant charge, and we'll be good to go. Appreciate y'all watching, guys. See y'all on the next one.